We're back, everyone. Chainlink is on fire today. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful bullish charts here. Great stuff to see. Yes, I'm late to the show, but I want to talk about Chainlink and the future of Chainlink and potentially where I perceive this coin to go. So $16 is pretty amateur numbers, I would say, for Chainlink. As you can see, once upon a time, it was trading at a whole $50. And that was when it was sitting at a 21 billion market capitalization. So what we can also learn from this, there's a little bit of token dilution, a little bit, because of course the circulating supply has increased over the last 3 years, but nothing to worry about. Now the big news, why Chainlink is indeed pumping. Well, look at this, everyone. Look at this right here. So this is massive. You can see the largest financial institutions in the world are now working with Chainlink to bring capital markets on chain and access the tokenized asset economy. Wow. This is huge. This is really, really big. And also, just looking at other news, it says we're excited to share the results of new smart NAV industry pilot between the DTCC, Chainlink, and 10 of the world's largest financial institutions that delivered key mutual fund data on chain. So that is massive. That is absolutely massive here. Processing 2+ quadrillion annually. The Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, DTCC, is the premier post-trade market infrastructure that provides clearing, settlement, asset servicing, data management, and trade reporting around millions of security transactions each day. Big stuff, and that's why we're seeing this enormous movement here for Chainlink. I think there's a lot of upside potential still. So guys, if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. If you've never been here before, if you want to hit your crypto goals this coming year, we are making videos every day. We're talking about projects every day. So if you did, already subscribe and you were in my Patreon, my Discord groups, you would have already seen this chart. At some point, you would have seen this chart, the green, the red, the amber phase of the market psychology cycle, the 4-year long cycles that we see here, even though these aren't really 4-year cycles that are playing out right now. But we can see it goes from euphoria to correction phase, bear market, depression, to sideways trading. Right now, we are breaking out of sideways trading. And when we know we're fully broken out of sideways trading is actually when we start to peak towards the previous market cycle top. So you can see that happened as well over in 2020, where Chainlink all-time high at $5 came down, found massive support at $1.56, which I really don't think we'll ever see a $1.56 Chainlink ever again. And if you did, you best buy a load of it, not financial advice. But as soon as we retest that previous all-time high, we go into price discovery. Things start to get exciting again as we retest those previous resistances. So I'm going to start feeling excited about now for Chainlink, because we're sort of retesting a very special region where there was before loads of resistance and loads of support. And that also happened as well before over here, where it's the same thing. It's the same thing as Chainlink trading through this particular wave, through the orange cycle, the red cycle, the green cycle, about halfway through. We're in that sort of halfway mark. So I predict that we're going to get another big wave happen at some point soon. And I think it will be very, very good when it does happen. But we're nowhere near the top, of course, which was $50 odd over there. So bottom was $5 if you're up 3x if you got in then. And this is why you also have to start using, guys, the relative strength index to help you time your entries in the market. You can see, just looking over here at the RSI, you should be selling on the weekly time frame as close to, if you can, like 80 plus. So 80 plus is your sell region on the relative strength index, and for most coins, anywhere sort of below 30 is your sort of accumulation window. So right now we're not in the tight accumulation spot, as you can see, and May 2023 was the time to do that. That's where Chainlink just blipped down to 36 on the RSI, and this also applies to the daily time frame as well. We can actually see more recently in April 2024, Chainlink did hit a sub 30 RSI level. It doesn't happen often. So how do you go about keeping yourself up to date? Well, you just hit the right click button right here, guys, on your trading view, add alert on RSI here, and what you do is you're going to go here, you're going to click on less than, and I want an alert name called Chainlink RSI sub 30 by now daily time frame. I'll end up getting a notification. change this value here to 30. So I now know every time Chainlink goes below 30 RSI on the daily time frame, I can buy into Chainlink at what I perceive to be a low risk entry. So this is something as well that could really help you guys. If that was helpful, please like the video, share with people, because not many people talk about simple strategy that usually delivers efficacy in these markets. It's all about always being so technical, and you don't have to be so technical. Sometimes you just got to look at the valuable data and zoom out and look at just some very, very small metrics. So I do think at some point in the future we will see Chainlink up to these 1626 Fibonacci regions. You're looking at $100, you're looking at $70. In order for that to happen, we need to see a 3, 4, 5x here for Chainlink, of course. Now, if you want that big number, you're looking at an 8x. So what's that, like 9 times 9 is, I can't even remember, it's like 81, right? So $82 billion, sorry, on the market capital. If you want to get that big all-time high, that's quite a lot to ask for, but I think it is a possibility overall. So let's keep our eyes peeled. And at the moment, just looking at Chainlink on the daily, I don't think we're too over kind of bought. Obviously, it's a big day, and you can just see the significant amount of support written in these regions here. Like $12.50 was a great buy-in, but we didn't know. We didn't know what would have happened. So let's see what can happen with Chainlink. Let's let it ride. Let's let it hit those euphoric zones and see if it can actually battle past through $20. That would be amazing if it could happen. If you guys want trading signals as well as learning how to enhance your crypto portfolio, gain confidence, proactivity, and courage in the crypto markets, check out my Patreon down below. There are only 22 Crypto Legends slots available. You're going to get early insights to stealth launches, whitelists, alpha calls, gem calls, analysis, trade signals on leverage, spot signals as well. And you can follow some of the top analysts in the market, which will help you grow your crypto portfolio. And if you are also trading out here, make sure you use CaseX, a new exchange, which reminds me of MEXC. I'm moving all my funds over to CaseX. The link is down below. Do your trading anonymously. Stay KYC free in the crypto space. And with CaseX, you can actually withdraw up to 15 Bitcoin daily without the need to KYC. And guess what? It's America friendly. It's USA friendly. So really, really cool to see as well. Fear and Greed, we're looking at 74. Solid bounce here, really, in the overall cryptocurrency markets. We're starting to see, a lot of projects move again in the green. Lots of altcoins starting to sort of look healthy again, which is inspiring. Also, 99 Bitcoins now $1.3 million raised. This is an interesting looking pre-sale, which could potentially 10x in the future as well. One to have a look at, a learn to earn Bitcoin platform. So do check it out down below. Never seen anything like it before. And not financial advice. Of course, ICOs are risky, but in the bull markets, they do perform quite well. And look at that. What a day in the markets. What a day. If you're feeling good about crypto, let me know down in the comments what you're looking at. And guys, stay crypto safe. Peace.